just you look like just a doll.
Huh? Just
You
a
look
doll.
like just
I
a
look
doll.
like
Yeah, like this.
a toy boy.
Yeah, like this.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
You mean I'm cute?
Yeah, you look so cute. I mean, adorable.
Oh, adorable.
Yeah,
好复杂的英文。
adorable means so cute.
Oh, okay, I know.
Very cute. I mean,
I know. Where are you from?
China?
Yes, China.
Okay, I'm from Bangladesh. And what's your name?
Oh, Bilish. My name is Anne. What's your name?
Okay, my name is Sushanta Paul. And do you speak English? Well,
Oh, yes, I can speak a little English.
oh, that's cool that you can speak English. So, how old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
Oh, just where do you live in China?
Where? I live in 武汉，不是湖北。
Oh, okay. So, why are you learning English?
Learning English. Oh, I learn my English in my school.
Okay. So, are you a student or what do you do?
Yes.
Do you study or work?
Yes. I'm a student too.
Okay. So, are you a university student or college student?
Yes. A new university student.
Oh, okay. So, actually, I'm from Bangladesh. So, do you know Bangladesh?
Bangladesh, 塞博 Bangladesh 比利时吗
Did you hear
Bangladesh
about Bangladesh?
Bangladesh 哎呀塞博 Bangladesh 孟加拉 Oh, I know.
Yeah. So, it's nice to meet you. And you look like a doll. You look so cute. So,
嘿嘿
can you sing a song?
Nice to 啊 Sing a song 唱个歌吗在这还点上歌了呢Sing a what song
You can sing any song, which one is your favorite. You can sing your favorite song. Okay?
Favorite song 什么意思啊唱歌跳舞这咋还让我唱上了 Let me 那个什么啊 Let me see Let me 放个 BGM Let me find a BGM So where you learn your English?
Yeah, I'm learning English because of I love it and my major is English. That is why I'm learning English. So yeah.
Oh, your major is English.
Yeah. So what is your major?
Okay. My major is Chinese. Chinese literature.
Okay, if I want to know Chinese language, could you please teach me some Chinese language? Like how can I say hello?
Hello, you can say 你好
你好,你好,
你好
like that.
你好 yes 你好 hello
Then how can I say how are
你好
you? How are you?
How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you 怎么说呀？哎，赛博 How are you? How are you? 那个
How can I say how are
你怎么
you?
样？啊，不是
In Chinese. I mean in your language.
How are you? 你好吗？你好吗？
你好吗？
你好吗？Yes, 你好吗？
Oh, it's very
欢迎只
easy.
想聊天。
It's very easy to learn.
Yes.
Then how can I say I'm fine
谢谢
or I'm good?
I'm fine. 我很好，我很好，我很好，
哇好好，
很好。Yes.
哇好好，哇好好。Like that?
我
哇
很
好好。
很 Yes.
Okay, thank you for teaching me Chinese language. Okay. And
Okay.
do you want to learn my
Your
language?
T-shirt.
Do you want to learn my language? I mean Bengali language.
Yes.
So If you want to
How
say
to say 你好 hello? How to
hello,
say hello?
it's like hello or hey, like that. So if you wanna say if you wanna say how are you, in that case you have to say if you wanna say how are you, in that case you have to say কেমন আছো?
কেমন আছো?
Yeah, perfect. And if you wanna say
কেমন আছো?
yeah, I'm fine, then you can say ভালো আছি.
ভালো আছি খুব.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, you're doing great.
ভালো আছি খুব.
Yeah.
ভালো আছি খুব. ভালো আছি
So,
খুব.
yeah.
ভালো আছি খুব. ভালো আছি খুব. ভালো আছি
So,
খুব.
how can I
Okay.
say? How can I say I like you in your language?
I like you. Oh, 我 means 爱。我喜欢你。
我喜欢你 like that.
我喜欢你 Yes, 我喜欢你。
我喜欢你 Okay.
Yes,
And,
yes.
Is it the same? I love you. 我喜欢你
I love you. I love you. You can say 我爱你。
我 Could you please repeat?
爱。
我爱
Yes, 我爱你。
Okay. I'm learning Chinese right now. And you are my teacher.
Okay.
You are teaching me, okay?
Yes, okay.
Then thank you so
Oh.
much for teaching me Chinese language. And I remember it ni hao. It means hello, ni hao, right?
Yes, 你好。
And how are you means I forget it.
你好吗
Oh, it's very easy. Ni hao ma, right?
Yes, 你好吗
Yeah, ni hao ma
Yes.
means how are you? Okay?
Yes.
Okay, I got it. And thank you for teaching me Chinese. And
Welcome, new boy.
it's nice to meet you. And
Nice to meet you too.
so, how many
下
languages
一
you can
个。
speak?
哇哦 Thank you, sexy 神。sexy 神，你怎么不开播呀？哎 ，Hello,
Hello. So why are you so cute?
why are you so cute? 啊
Why?
because
Why you look so cute?
because I had a cute heart.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So is it your doll? What is that?
Yeah.
On your hand. Yeah.
Oh,
Is
it's
that a
a rabbit from
Rabbit?
Disney. Yes, from
Oh.
Disney.
So do you have
谢谢
pets?
sexy 神。
In real life, do you have pets?
But sexy 神 please
Yeah, do
translate.
you have pets? I mean, do you have any dog or cat or like that? Anything?
Oh, okay. Yes, I have a rabbit.
In real life, do you have real rabbit? Real rabbit?
I have a real rabbit.
Oh, okay. So you love rabbit, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, what is the name? What is the name of your rabbit?
This rabbit.
Oh, okay. It's so cute, like you.
Thank you.
Let me think. Who is more cute? Who is so cute? I think you.
I.
Yeah, I think rabbit. Rabbit is more cute. Is that okay?
Yes. Thank you. Cute.
I just make fun. Okay, don't mind.
Do you like football?
Yes, how do you know that?
I look your T-shirt.
Oh, yeah, I like football so much and it's my favorite game. It's my favorite sport. So, what is your favorite sport?
Oh, favorite sport. 赛博 favorite sport 什么意思？favorite sport. My favorite sport is running.
Running, oh, that's cool. And
Running.
I love football so much. And do you know Argentina?
不知道。
Do you know
欢迎
Argentina
高冷小帅。
or Brazil? Do you know that?
Yes, I know. Argentina, yes, I know.
Yeah, they play.
I know. It's famous.
Yeah, do you know Messi?
Yes,
He's
Messi,
one of my
yes.
favorite
Of
player.
course.
He's one of my favorite football
Oh,
player. So I love him so much.
oh,
Yeah.
oh, Messi is famous. He is famous.
Yeah, Messi. I love Messi.
别的乱的。我想说，the Europe
So
yesterday the football game，哎呦，我想问他看没看过欧洲杯前2天的
do you watch sometimes? Do you watch a football match? Sometimes.
football match？some days before， 还 Europe 2024 yes Europe
Oh yeah, I got it. You watch Europe Club. I mean, yeah, I got it.
yes you
So-
know
Yeah, I know. So